There may be times when you want to add another user to the system, such as a babysitter or relative. In this video, we'll show you how to create a new user code as well as edit or delete an existing code. To create a new user code, enter the 4-digit master user code that was provided to you by your security company. For this example, we'll use 1, 2, 3, 4. Then press the code or 8 key. Then enter the new user number. User numbers begin at 03. For this user, we will enter 03. Enter a new 4-digit code for this user. For this example, we'll use 6321. When you hear a beep, the new user has been confirmed. If you want to delete a user, just do the following. Enter the master user code. Then press 8. Then the user number. Finally, press #0. The keypad will beep, letting you know that the user has been deleted. If you need to change the master code for any reason, just do the following. Enter the master user code. Then press 8. Enter the master user number. Then enter a new master user code. We'll use 4321. You will need to enter this new number twice in order for the change to take effect. The keypad will beep, confirming that the new master user code is created.